we just had today was an amazing conversation, and it was a workshop that focused on Canadian culture. And we had a lovely group of engineering students that are completing their master's program, and being able to have a larger conversation with so many different students from so many different backgrounds was very, very rewarding in itself. So the engagement was quite high. $22 billion have been contributed from international students into the Canadian economy. So having these conversations in itself about the integration of culture and workplace from a Canadian landscape is always a really great opportunity to really build the skills that international students definitely have to bring into that, into the Canadian economy as a whole.
We obviously wanted to impart some knowledge onto them as well, but I think the encouragement of like, this is a collaborative process, we want to learn from you. Earlier on in our workshop, we split everyone up into groups and they had to share with us what our employer is looking for, simply from their own perspective. There's no right or wrong answer, and what they are looking for from as an employee. And yes, we had a lot of similar answers across the groups, but I think that shows that people get it, they understand what employers are looking for from their own research and their own experiences so far. And they also have a very strong position on what they want, which I think will only serve them positively in their career.
I think the understanding of work-life balance is something that is always surprising to me, and it's always really refreshing to see from students specifically, especially international students where they may not have that work-life balance back home.
Ensuring that it's not just about the technical skills they're bringing, it's also about the soft skills. And we talked a lot about their own values as professionals, but also how that can coincide with values of a company as well. It makes sense to build a pipeline of incredibly smart, unique talent.
If you're interested in really learning more about what is currently happening in our backyards in the Hamilton region, it's always great to not only do the networking, but do the research on different organizations and what they're currently up to, and going to these amazing opportunities to chat with employers and chat with other co-workers and really make those connections. So it's all about being able to be resourceful and getting these resources to help you augment your skills.